Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Focus trunk with a dead battery. First, if your car is locked, use your physical key to unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, you'll need to access the trunk through the cabin. Many Ford Focus models allow you to fold down the rear seats, providing a pathway to the trunk area. Once the rear seats are folded, carefully crawl into the trunk space. Look for a small, often glow-in-the-dark, emergency release handle on the inside of the trunk lid. This handle is a safety feature designed to open the trunk from within. Pull this handle firmly, and the trunk latch should release, allowing you to open it from the outside. If accessing through the back seats isn't an option, or if you prefer, you can temporarily power the car. Connect a portable jump starter to the battery terminals, usually found under the hood. This provides enough temporary power for the electronic trunk release button, either on your key fob or inside the car, to function and open the trunk. After successfully opening your trunk, it's crucial to address the dead battery. Either charge it fully or replace it if necessary to prevent future issues. Also, take a moment to inspect the trunk latch mechanism for any signs of damage or wear that might have contributed to the problem. And speaking of essentials, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.